A noteworthy alternative to Samsung's pricier phones, the unconfirmed Galaxy F555 grams is expected to follow the success of the F54 5G, likely launching in mid-March 2024 based on historical release patterns. While details are scarce, anticipated features include a sleek design reminiscent of recent flagship models, an IP67 rating, a 120Hz Super AMOLED display, Wi-Fi 6, and assured updates until 2029. Speculation surrounds the possibility of a new Exynos 1480 chip with AMD graphics. Despite uncertainties, Samsung is expected to maintain consistency in pricing, likely starting the F555 grams below $500 in the US. For those seeking advanced specifications, waiting for the F555 grams may be worthwhile, while the reliable F54 5G is an immediate option. Alternatively, the upcoming Google Pixel 7a in the summer of 2023 and the Apple iPhone SE 2022 offer alternatives, with the former boasting Google's impressive camera and the latter being considered in budget phone discussions. Waiting for the Galaxy A555 grams could be advantageous, especially if Apple's budget option doesn't receive an update this year. Share your thoughts in the comments, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe below. Peace out.